Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best automatic litter box is probably one of the most innovative pet products to hit the market in recent years. If you're a cat owner tired of the daily chore of scooping, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of self-cleaning litter boxes, exploring the top contenders, and helping you find the perfect one to keep your home fresh and your cat happy. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Introducing the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, an automatic self-cleaning litter box. This innovative design uses motion sensors and crystal litter for effortless cleanup, making your life easier. The crystal litter absorbs liquids and dehydrates solid waste, ensuring your home stays fresh. Leak-proof disposable trays and low-tracking crystals make maintenance simple and hygienic. This litter box features an integrated health counter. It monitors your cat's usage, helping you identify any potential health issues early on. PetSafe, with its US roots, provides vet-recommended solutions. They also offer exceptional customer support to ensure you and your pet are well taken care of. For over 25 years, PetSafe has been creating safe and innovative products. They are dedicated to enhancing pet lives and supporting the bond between pets and their families. What we like? This litter box offers a self-cleaning front entry design, making it easy for your cat to use. It also monitors your cat's health, allowing you to note any irregularities. If you are looking for a convenient and hygienic solution that also helps you keep an eye on your cat's well-being, this is a great choice. What people say. The self-cleaning feature is a game-changer. The design is sleek and modern, blending seamlessly into my home decor. The litter box effectively eliminates odors, keeping my house smelling fresh. Number 4. PetCove Self-Cleaning Automatic Litter Box. Tired of daily scooping? This automatic litter box sifts waste into a sealed bag after every use. Just tie and toss for a clean, fresh box, providing 24/7 convenience for you and your cat. Say goodbye to litter box odors. This product combines a sealed bin, deodorizing fan, and negative ion system to neutralize smells instantly. It keeps your home fresh, even with multiple cats. Take control with the app. Connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to schedule cleanings, adjust settings, monitor cat visits, and get alerts when the bin is full. It makes litter care easy. This product is designed with your cat's comfort in mind. The spacious, open drum allows cats to turn and dig naturally. It's built for cats up to 18 pounds and pauses cleaning for kittens or pregnant cats. This litter box handles it all. The large sealed bin stores waste for days, giving you hands-free convenience. You'll enjoy fewer cleanups and more time for what matters. Cleaning is a breeze. The filter and litter cylinder remove quickly for easy wiping or washing. The electronics stay dry, ensuring a quick and fresh cleanup. Safety is a priority. Anti-pinch sensors stop the drum if your cat approaches. Weight and infrared sensors add extra protection, while the child lock keeps everyone safe during use. What we like? This litter box features smart app connectivity, allowing you to schedule cleanings and monitor your cat's visits. It also boasts triple odor control to keep your home fresh. If you like to stay connected and want to manage your cat's litter box with ease, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. It's easy to set up and easy to use. There's next to no smell for the box ether and the company offering a lifetime warranty, which brings me peace of mind if the box or accessories break down or become lost. Works great even for our 2 cats. Be sure to use recommended litter type, this makes cleaning much easier. After almost a year I had a door break while cleaning. The service team was very helpful and sent a replacement part very quickly. Number 3. CATLINK Young Version Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This innovative litter box is designed to make your life easier. After your cat is done, it automatically cleans itself, separating waste from clean litter. The rolling sifting process saves litter and features a large 13L waste drawer. This means less work for you, as you only need to change the liner every couple of weeks. This litter box is equipped with multiple safety features, including sensors and a stable design. It ensures your cat's safety during operation. The optional rechargeable odor purifier and carbon filter eliminate unpleasant smells. It reduces odors by up to 90% or more, keeping your home fresh. No Wi-Fi setup is needed. It comes fully assembled, so you can start using it right away. Just plug it in and add litter to free your hands. It's sized at 23.62 by 23.62 by 27.95 inches, with a 57L globe capacity and a 13L waist drawer. It's suitable for cats between 3.5 and 22 pounds. Remember to use clumping cat litter and not exceed the max level line. What we like. This litter box doesn't require Wi-Fi, making it easy to set up and use right away. It also features double odor removal to eliminate unpleasant smells. If you are looking for a straightforward, easy-to-use litter box that still offers great odor control, you should consider this one. What people say. The self-cleaning feature is a game-changer. The design is sleek and modern. It effectively eliminates odors. Number 2. PetSnowy 2025 Premium Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Tired of unpleasant smells? This uses TO2 photocatalyst to eliminate odors, ensuring your home stays fresh and clean. It keeps the air inviting for both you and your cat. Say goodbye to daily scooping. This automatically collects and seals waste in disposable liners. You can enjoy a clean litter box with minimal effort. Keep your floors clean with the built-in mat. The exclusive litter control walkway traps stray litter. This feature prevents litter from spreading around your home. Designed for easy maintenance, this has a modular design for quick assembly and cleaning. It's perfect for busy pet parents who want a clean solution without the hassle. Your cat's safety is the top priority. SnowSafe Plus technology pauses cleaning when your cat enters. Plus, you get around-the-clock customer service for peace of mind. This is compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You don't need a smartphone for basic use. It offers convenience and control at your fingertips. What we like. This litter box utilizes advanced odor control technology to keep your home smelling fresh. It also automatically seals waste, making cleanup a breeze. If you have multiple cats and want to minimize litter tracking, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The self-cleaning feature is a game-changer. The design is sleek and modern, blending seamlessly into my home decor. It effectively eliminates odors, keeping the house smelling fresh. Number 1. PETKIT Purobot Ultra Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Introducing the world's first smart AI camera cat litter box. This revolutionary device transforms routine litter box use into a comprehensive health tracking system. It uses advanced technology to monitor your cat's health. The 180 degrees rotating camera with a 210 degrees wide angle captures everything. It accurately identifies each cat, logging key data like visit times and stool characteristics. This enables precise pet health monitoring. It automatically generates photo and video records for each cat. This feature allows you to easily track long-term trends and spot subtle changes in bathroom habits. This helps you to take care of your cat. Monitoring waste patterns can help detect early signs of health issues. The detailed insights transform hidden litter box clues into actionable information. This helps you to take care of your cat. The Purobot Ultra Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box auto-cleans and seals waste after each use. It cuts cross-infection and allergy risks. This is perfect for allergy sufferers or homes with kids. When the bin hits capacity, it automatically seals the bag and refills a new one. This is truly hands-free and odor-free. You don't need to worry about the waste. The 10L bin offers up to 20 days of no scooping. This is perfect for busy pet parents or even week-long trips. You can go out without worrying about the waste. What we like. This litter box integrates an AI camera to monitor your cat's health by tracking their bathroom habits. It also automatically packs waste and refills the bag. If you are a tech-savvy pet parent who wants to proactively monitor your cat's health while enjoying hands-free convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. The self-cleaning feature is a game-changer. The design is sleek and modern, blending seamlessly into my home decor. It effectively eliminates odors, keeping my house smelling fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.